Today, let's talk about how to interactive visual chat with large models. Before this, make sure ServBay is installed on your computer and deploy Deepseek locally. Deploy Deepseek locally, usually chat with the AI at the terminal. But it's inconvenient. Want to implement visual chat? You need to install an Open WebUI. Open the official website. Come to GitHub. The Open WebUI is an open source software. Download it from release. After download, we click on the Help document. The Open WebUI is installed using Docker, Python, or Kubernetes. We chose Python. Because the latest version of ServBay happens to support Python, deploy your Python environment with one click. Even users who don't know anything about code, it can also be installed smoothly. We click on the green icon, Download Python. After installation, back to Help document. Click Copy command line. Open terminal, paste the copy command line. Click to copy another command, starting the Open WebUI. Wait a moment, the Open WebUI is installed. We click on the URL given by the website. At that, we can chat visually with Deepseek. Isn't it very simple?